Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this Nissan key fob. Here's what you need. One of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. They're really inexpensive. And there's a link below in the description. I'll take you straight there. And then also a flat blade screwdriver about this size. Okay, so first thing you want to do is this piece slides this way. So on this end, there's a little release. So slide that kind of like this. All right, now once you have these separated, right on this corner right here, there's a little lip. You can pry this open. There's your two halves. Take your screwdriver and just pop out the old dead battery. Take your new battery, positive side facing down, and then you can test it right here. Squeeze these two together. Make sure your light's good to go. And this goes on just like that. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.